And a 49 Chev with a 434 stroker. There's about 700 horsepower here. Sponsored by Production Designs. Special thanks to Doug and the NWMRA family and fans. The Green Dodge Junior is fun, but this is what it's really all about. Here he is, Greg in the Jewel Digger. Okay, we have a pit bull in the pit area. If you have a pit bull and it's got a lump on it and it's kind of whitish tan, can you get your pit bull, please? All right, Greg in the Jewel Digger. That's way more fun than the Green Dodge Junior, huh, Greg?
609.
Totally awesome.
Hey,
Percy, I'm down here from Kansas City. So up to your right.